Good morning, Rebecca. That's right, and it's starting with pleasant weather this afternoon already. In Johannesburg, a maximum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. In Pretoria, 25 today, with a light wind, a southeasterly wind of 5 to 10 kilometers per hour. And for this weekend, we are expecting mainly sunny conditions across South Africa. Let's take a look at our synoptic analysis for this morning. It's partly cloudy to cloudy along the south coast from a wee cold front that will start dissipating over the next couple of hours, but sunny conditions across the rest of the interior. But it is going to be a cooler afternoon along the east coast, and that's mainly in KwaZulu-Natal as well as the eastern half of the Eastern Cape. And that is as a result of the ridging high pressure system that will sit in behind that cold front, and that will push some moist air into eastern South Africa later this afternoon and into this evening. And there's even a possibility of light rain around Richards Bay, and overnight possibly also drizzle in eastern Mpumalanga. Let's take a look at our rainfall map for today. It shows a possibility of a few drops of rain this morning along the south coast from that cold front, and then towards this afternoon and evening. A bit of rain is expected along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal and later also the adjacent interior, and that is from the ridging high pressure system. A pleasant afternoon in the northeastern part of the country with 25 in Pretoria, 23 in Johannesburg. Also a warm afternoon in the Lowveld, 30 in Phalaborwa with 25 in Bombela. And today we expect a maximum of 26 in Mahikeng and Potchefstroom with a maximum of 26 as well in Vryburg. Central South Africa can look forward to an afternoon temperature of 21 in Bloemfontein, 20 in Bethlehem, and conditions along the east coast and adjacent interior will be at around 20 degrees Celsius for today, so slightly cooler in this area compared to yesterday. Along the east coast of South Africa, 24 in Richards Bay with a possibility of afternoon rain, and we also expect a light to moderate onshore wind along the east coast of the country for today, and that will result in the partly cloudy conditions. Today we also have a southwesterly swell of 1.5 meters. Sunny and dry conditions across the southern interior, 24 in Oudtshoorn today, 23 in Somerset East, and a lovely 26 in Vredendal, so warming up finally after the cold weather we had earlier this week in the western part of South Africa. Along the south coast, 19 in Plettenberg Bay, 18 in Jeffreys Bay with a possibility of morning rain in that area. That will clear by mid-morning, and we are expecting 19 today in Muizenberg with a southwesterly swell of 4.5 meters. A dry day in the Northern Cape today, 28 in Appington, 26 in Prieska, cooler towards the south, only 17 in Sutherland. And this afternoon in the mother city we expect a maximum temperature of 20 with a light onshore wind and a southwesterly swell of 5.5 meters. Let's take a quick look at your forecast for Saturday. Sunny conditions across the country, partly cloudy in the far east with misty conditions at first in eastern Limpopo and in Mpumalanga, and tomorrow a maximum temperature of 23 in Pretoria. That's where I leave you with the forecast for now, but I will be back in the next hour with more live weather.